Hey guys, Timmy Toyota here, wanting to demonstrate the 2024 XLE RAV4 that we have in the showroom here. Now this does feature some VIP upgrades. Looking at the upgraded wheels and tires there, we've got a 2-inch lift on this. Of course, you can see the bumper guards and the 6-inch amber lights. Those are brought to you by Ironman. Take another look there at those tine springs. Does have the smart key system as well. We've custom upfitted this with some Katzkin leather interior as well. So really plush, really very nice. Of course, you can see your heated steering wheel there, heated windshield wipers, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, your 8-inch multimedia display there with Apple Android CarPlay, heated seats there. Taking a look at your driving modes and your multi-train select there. In the rear, ample space for guests and all outdoor enthusiasts. This does have blackout badges as well in the tow, hitch, and receiver. Looks like we're throwing in some accessories from Ironman, some Rico tracks help you get out of the mud. You see your spare tire there as well. This does have the convenience package with that power lift gate and moon roof. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions about some of these custom upgrades or costs, you can obviously reach me. It does have the remote start system as well. So really a unique vehicle for a unique buyer, somebody looking to get off-road a bit there. Give me a call through 4 835-5001. Tim with Fusz Toyota. Thanks.